looking at while selecting your MBA college? Answer backside.
Yes. आपके सवाल के जवाब.
My question is, once you will be deciding your MBA colleges, what are the things that you look for? Anything specific? Placements, okay, good. Faculty, intake, okay.
Guidance.
Huh? Guidance, exposure as in? Academic, okay, nice. So very good responses. So my very important advice, because you, first of all, the generation in which you guys are in, you have this opportunity, you have this benefit that so many information, so many opportunities are freely available to you, right? For example, when we were at your age, we were not having this kind of setup where information is so easily available, right? So use that information, use that opportunity very wisely, okay? Now, to start with, when you are trying to select your MBA college or be it anything, you first see what are the qualities, what are the skill sets that you have, then see what are the features, what are the things that your institution is going to provide you, right? Is this something that, suppose you are big in, suppose take the example of digital marketing. You are very much interested in learning digital marketing and you do not have any skill set. Then you will see, does that institution in which you are going into, does that particular institute provide that thing? Will that make a good partnership with us, right? Similarly, many students, just after MBA, it's not only about placements, right? After MBA, many students wish to do some kind of their startup or entrepreneurship, right? Then what happens when you want to start a business? Tell me, what are the first things that you look for? A proper guidance, a proper support. Then look for those institutions that, okay, if I want to start a business after completing my education, my MBA, does that institution give any kind of support in this area? And what comes next is, what kind of faculty professors, like this guy said very rightly, because ultimately the faculty will be there who will be interacting with you, giving you all the things that you require. So look after the faculty profile of every institution, right? And when you look for faculty profile, do not go for his names and all. Okay, yeah, iska naam, in faculty ka naam acha lag raha hai. He's from Lucknow, he's from my city. No. Try to look for the profile of that faculty, in which area that person is doing research. Right? अगर मैं उस एरिया में जाता हूँ, how that faculty is going to help me in future. Right? Look for these things.
Okay, how to pick the right college? If you keep on looking for the perfect match, कि I should be having good life there, I should be having good placements, blah blah blah. You should also introspect first. Right? I always recommend कि it should always be inside out approach. First of all, you have to look deep into what kind of personality you are, what is your skill set, where are you lacking, and then you move towards what exactly is out there which can complement me in the best way, and it will give me a good exposure, give good learning experience, and ultimately I will reach where I want to. I am always advised, you should always introspect first. I am not saying you are lagging anywhere, or I am not demeaning anyone. With all the due respect to you, all of you, you should also learn how to learn. There is one point they say problem well understood is half solved. अगर आप वो identify कर पाएं, I think it will be much better for you. And सर ने starting किया था that जो opportunity है वही challenge भी है. It is ultimately up to you how you will take it forward. Management was always there. जब formal education के तौर पर management को as a branch नहीं देखा जाता था तब भी. आप लोग बहुत सारे BBA graduates मुझे मिले. आपने पढ़ा होगा हेनरी फ्योल, FW टेलर एंड ऑल. कोई टाइमलाइन बताएगा कि FW टेलर थ्योरी कब की है, मतलब वो ड्यूरेशन क्या था? साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट?
Idea?
Anyone?
No.
Okay.
You ask it.
No, it happens, sir. It happens.
This happens. Yes.
हेनरी फ्योल थ्योरी? Anyone? एक रफ टाइमलाइन कोई बता दे मुझे. So this is the problem, like surface learning again, जो मैं बात कर रहा था. Management was always there, it is there, and आने वाले टाइम में और ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी मैनेजमेंट प्रोफेशनल्स की. So opportunity is there, scope is there. It is totally up to you how you make the best out of it. Thank you.
Understanding of a management education. When we expect a student, I don't expect that आप आइए और मुझे किताब की भाषा में कुछ रट कर बता दीजिए. I did not want you to come and speak to me that, sir, I have a 40 percentile, I have a 80 percentile. I have appeared in the CAT and I have in JET and I know I have the overall knowledge. So until unless if your mind is spine and student, if your mind is not going in that direction, then management is not for you. राइट गाइस, मैं वापस आता हूँ अजय सर के पास में आता हूँ। प्लेसमेंट की बात करते हैं, इज प्लेसमेंट हेड ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड सुबह से हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कितना प्लेसमेंट चाहिए आपको? किसी के 25 लाख, किसी को 50 लाख, किसी को कुछ और, राइट? सो सर प्लेसमेंट पे थोड़ा हम एलिब्रेट करेंगे that how the students should look placement as a tool or as a final finish start last thing या जो भी है placement को कैसे देखना चाहिए?
First thing is this, that you have to make yourself employable. What do you mean by the placement? You go through the placement process and you get the offer letter. Does the placement? No. Placement start the moment you enter that company. Whether you are able to survive that company or not, the moment you enter the company, the competition starts. The placement starts, right? Get that company is easy, but how to survive? That's difficult, right? So whenever you are targeting any college, right, you have to target a different aspect, that what college is offering. I think everybody is talking about the same, right? Whether when I'm entering that college, my communication is out of 10, my communication is 2. I'm targeting the MNCs, and the basic criteria for MNC is that your communication at least has to be 6 out of 10. So whether that college give me an opportunity that I raise my standard from 2 to at least 5 or 6, right? What others that college is offering, whether we are having some bridge courses, because the students are learning about the BTO, PGDM and MBA program is that anyone can apply. The only eligibility criteria is the graduation. So someone who is having BA, BTech, BBA, PhD can apply for the same, right? Then you have to nourish yourself, which is called a 360-degree development, whether that college is giving that 360-degree development or not. Right? So these are the main things which you need to focus on, which you need to work on.
You said you're meant for an MBA, so after 2 years, what change you think you will have in yourself? Or what that MBA is going to do for you? Apart from compatibility, everything, all is okay. What will happen to yourself?
Guys, yes. What to expect after 2 years?
Okay, at least you say you're on level 1, you reach level 2 or level 3. You expect that course to build something in you. What does MBA give you? Basically, it gives you skills development. We are talking about new education policy. It is based on skills. We are trying to develop our skills. Each one of us has something in us. I will always say that one skill is there. We need to sharpen it. When I say that you explore, everybody said explore, find about yourself. So first of all, find what is there in you. Just don't go for specializations because मेरे friend ने finance लिया या मैं BCom कर रहा था तो I like finance या marketing is good, you get good packages which everybody feels like. First identify what you suit best in, because if you don't identify that, you will not go longer term with that. See, placements will come, every colleges will bring best companies. Almost 15-20 of us are here and all of us are banging on the companies coming in. I'm sure each and every college will bring best. But will you fit that best is my question. And how to fit that best should be your question. College may bring 25 lakhs ka package. But will you be the first person to be chosen for that 25 lakhs? Yes or no? If it is no, what you should have within you that you should be that person. How you develop yourself from this level to that level. That's what MBA gives you.
तो पहले से माइंड सेटअप होता है कि हमको एमबीए करना है, तो आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन कोई कोचिंग जाता है, कुछ जाता है, तो जो पहला माइंड सेटअप होता है कि ये एमबीए मतलब आईएम्स, एफएमएस, एमडीआई, तो सर स्कोर करते हैं. जैसे मैंने सर लास्ट ईयर पूरा 6 महीने मैंने एक कैटेगरी पढ़ा सर, आई स्कोर्ड 88% सर, इवन दो आई डिडंट गेट कॉल फ्रॉम एनी ऑफ द आईएम्स एंड एनी अदर गुड बिजनेस स्कूल सर. सो अब सिनेरियो क्या होता है सर कि ये डिफरेंस करना मुश्किल होता है सर कि हम अभी जाके कोई भी टियर 2 कॉलेज में एडमिशन ले लें और वहाँ जाके 2 साल पढ़े, वहाँ से पहले मिलता है टॉप 20% मिलता है, तो उसमें भी डर होता है सर, बिकॉज सर आईएम्स में भी अभी ले ऑफ चल रहे हैं, टॉप आईएम्स में भी इंटर्नशिप नहीं हो पा रही है सर, तो सर इसका भी डर होता है. और या तो होता है कि 1 साल और वेस्ट करें अपना, कैट फिर से दें और उसके बाद फिर आईएम्स में जाएं सर. तो इस सर कंफ्यूजन को सर दूर करने में बहुत डर होता है सर इस सिचुएशन में.
Not the institution that makes a student. IIMs are IIMs because they get best of the mind of the country and they get the jobs in best of the company. Alright? But there have been success stories from tier 2 business schools because the student was good. Maybe that time his luck was not good. Alright? So never underestimate your own capacity. Don't think that anyone who goes to IIMs Even in IIMs, there are average and mediocre and bad students. In IITs also, there are people who have not been passing their classes in one go. So there's nothing like that. My aspiration is this, and I could not go. What should I do? I think the first thing is that have confidence in yourself. It's again, remember, institutions don't make people. People make institutions. IIMs are known because of their product. Why? Because these products are the best minds. 99 percentile, 99.99 percentile. You expect the best people to be there. Alright? So it's not about, maybe you missed out just because that day was not good for you. You could have gone to 99 percentile also. So never underestimate your capability. Have confidence on your capability. Decide what you want to do. Otherwise, this is just one life. And if you don't enjoy that life, then what's the point of having life? Alright? So all the best. Decide your fate yourself. These 2 years, the next step in your life is the most important period of your life. Be it getting married or getting a higher education, moving to higher education. Right. Don't worry about job. See, management institutions were basically created with an objective of creating job givers, not job seekers. Right. Ultimately, it has transformed into job seekers market only. But try to be job giver. All right. We have opportunities. We have so many schemes which the governments have got. Startup and all those things. Money is flowing. You need to have the skill to grab that. All right. Think differently, do differently, and do what you want to do. All right. Thank you.